see all the garbage outside. Pachigay bus terminal. Just walk. This is not like in the Philippines. In the Philippines, we have a transportation tricycle or jeepney. But here, just only taxi. If you don't want to walk, you need to ride by taxi. But this is an exercise. You just walk. Thank you, 3 million people in the chat. Before I making what you call this dumpster. I'm taking some good things in the good items or good in the dumpster. Mostly there's some people or Chinese. If there's some garbage like dress or toys or there's a little bit damage, they will throw. Sometimes I take it if I think it's you can use, still you can use. Yeah, of course, why not? So hot. You see, this building, the resident from the upstairs, just only down all commercial, but like this big building, residential or flat. I have a pail. I will put in the toilet because I have a using only basin. Why keep going this? It's windy a little bit. Peter, are you still? Or are you sleeping? Cute. Oh. I miss Jello. The last I saw Jello when I go on vacation. What year that was? 2018? Like that.